Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is for management students where they can find guide on any topic. They can prepare for their exams or tests quickly and easily, and they do not need to refer to any paid resources. So this channel is for this purpose to help you all. Let's start with our today's topic. So we'll be learning about logs to solve examples here. Next, so for example, you have this question 2x is equal to 4. We know that 2 is power 2, which means 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So x is 2. That is the power of the 2 to give you the result of 4. Next, log with the base of 2 is 512. Let's convert into the equation to solve it. So let y is equal to log 2 512. Now, what power of 2 would be equal to 512? We have to assess it. You can do that through trial and error. And if you have a calculator, that will be easy for you. So we find out that 9, the power 2 raised to power 9 gives you 512. So 9 is the answer to the equation here. Next we have log 0.0001. Again convert this question into an equation. So let y is equal to log 0.0001. Now you know that how can we get this fraction basically? It will be 10 raised to power negative 4. You can write that down and you can see for yourself 10 raised to power minus 4 will give you this answer. So in that way, the power of minus 4 is the answer because that will give you the required result. Next we have this question log 3 and then log to the base of 3 is 3 raised to power 1 over 7. Again put that in an equation format here and we have now which power of 3 will give you the result of 3 raised to power 1 by 7. So it's obvious here is 1 over 7. Next log of 3x is equal to 4. To solve such a question we have to convert it into an equation like so as log of base x is equal to y, log b of y is equal to x. So exponentially, 3 raised to power 4 will give you x, and this equals 81. Again, in the next question, you have a similar case where log of base x is 8 is equal to 3. Now, x cube is equal to 3, and now you have to see which part of x, which is 8 basically, no? So 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So now x or the base is 2 in this case because 2 raised to power 3 will give you 8. Next we have log x y, log of base x y is equal to 1. It's very obvious if it's 1 then x and y are equal to one another. Alright, so now once you have this quadratic equation and you're going to solve it, let's see the steps of doing this. So now you have to multiply 8 multiplied by 1 gives you 8. So which two numbers? Let's look at further examples. E raised to power 3x is equal to 2. Now to solve it further, we are going to write it as ln 2 is equal to 3x and x is equal to ln 2 divided by 3. And here's the answer x equals 0.2, 3 and 1. Next 0.1 e raised to power 0.1 x is equal to 0.5. Now put this in an equation format to solve it further and e raised to power 0.1x is equal to 0.5 divided by 0.1 and now you have e raised to power 0.1x is equal to 5. Solving it further we get ln 5 is equal to 0.1x and ln 5 over 0.1x is equal to 16.09. This is the answer. Next we have further examples. So now you're given log 2 is equal to A, log 3 is equal to B, and log 5 is equal to C. How do we calculate log 30? To get this answer, put it in an equation. As you have been told, log fg is equal to log f plus log g. Therefore, log 30 is equal to log 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5. Hence, a plus b of 2 will give you 1024. Solve it on the calculator by trial and error approach, and you get 2 raised to power 10. Solving it further, you get 10 log 2. Hence, the answer is NA, as log 2 is equal to A. Next, log 2 over 3, and we have an equation for reference, which is log f of g is equal to log f minus log g. Thus, log 2 by 3 is equal to A less B. Why it is so? Because log 2 is A and log 3 is B, and by this above equation you get A minus B. Next, log 8 over 3, and we are going to convert log 8 in terms of power of 2, and you know 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3, so we write it as such: log 2 cube minus 3. 3 log 2 minus log 3. So 3a less minus b. Next, log raised to power 2 to 3 gives you 3. So solve it further. So log 3 over log 2 can also be written as log, log 3 over 2, and we know that log is basically, log has a base of 10. So 3 log 3 over log 2 will give you b. Another question we have is log of 0.00003. Converted into power of 10, and you can see by the number of decimal places that it is going to be 10 raised to power minus 5. So log 3 minus log 10 raised to power 5 gives you this fraction, which is log 3 over 10,000. Now solve this further. Log 3 minus 5 log 10. So what we have done here, in the second row you can see you have log 10 raised to power 5. So this 5 becomes the constant, and we have to move it, and it becomes this log 3 minus 5 log 10. Solving it further, log 3 minus 5. So for to get log 10, we multiply for 5 multiplied by 2. And in terms of log, we write it as log 5 plus log 2. So the answer is B minus 5 and A plus C, because that is the denotation in the question. And what we get is B minus 5A minus 5C. Next, log 6 over 25, and we are going to write it as log 6 minus log 25. 6 is basically 2 multiplied by 3. So we write it as such: log 2 by 2 multiplied by 3 minus log 5 square. 5 square gives 25, so that is why we have written it as such. Now, the next line is going to be log 2 plus log 3 minus 2 log 5. Now, where does this 2 log 5 come from? So the power of 2 becomes the constant along, so, and hence you get 2 log 5. The answers are A plus B minus 2C. Next we have ln1 divided by under root E. Ln E is equal to minus half. So, next we have this question. It looks very complex. Don't worry, you have to break it down and simplify it further. Log of base 11 gives you this answer: 11 multiplied by 11 raised to power 1 by 3 raised to power 7. Simplify this entire equation first to make it simpler and easier to solve. So, this entire question, when you solve this equation, you get 11 raised to power 4, and then this whole thing has power 7. Again, you're going to solve it further, and you get this fraction 28 by 3. So log of 11 gives you 11 raised to power 20 by 3, and now you can clearly see power 28 by 3 is the answer. Further questions and further examples, they follow the same format. Log of 6 plus log 4 give you log 6 multiplied by 4, which is log 24. Then log 10 minus log 10 to the base of 3 minus log 5 to the base of 3. So log 3 is equal to 10 over 5. by the formula we've been doing before, and which gives you log to the base of 3 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and hence that's your answer. Please note, if the bases are equal, logs cannot be combined. We are following this format because in this question we have the same basis. Same next question has the same format too. Log of the base 2 to 2x minus log of 2 of the base 2 and x gives you x plus 1. Again the same format, log of base 2 and 2x divided x plus 1. Further examples we have here, you can see the steps, the same steps you've been following before. Please practice them along. You can see every step, we have been doing this before. It just requires more practice. All the steps have been demonstrated on the slide. We have the same we have been doing before. It's just they're just more complex. Now, the first two examples are before you. They're almost on the same pattern. Then you have this log to the log base 3 multiply by ln e raised to power 3. So ln is equal to log e. So log 3 to 3 gives you 1. Next, e ln 2x is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 and x is 5 over 2. Now let's look at more examples here. Log to the base of 3 under root 3 minus log 2 log 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the 1 by 3 minus log to the base of 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 by 4. Now we're going to write it in a simpler format. So log to the base of 3 gives you 3 half, 3 raised to power 1 by 2, minus log to the base of 2 gives you 2 raised to power 1 by 3, minus log to the base of 5 gives you 5 1 by 4. Now it's very obvious, when the bases are same, you have the power as the answer. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now by LCM, we get 6 minus 4 minus 3 over 12. So the answer is minus 1 over 12. Next question is 10 log x square plus 2x is equal to 3. To solve it further, you know that log has base 10. So basically, we can solve this equation as such. It will be a quadratic equation and the value of x will be your answer. So x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Solving this equation further, you get x square plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. And finally, x is equal to minus 3 and 1. Another question is 4 log to the base of 4x plus log 4 2 is equal to 3. Now, as log f plus log g is equal to log f of g, so same formula you're going to apply here, and you get 4 log to the base of 4 2x is equal to 3. What I've done here is basically you have the same power 4, you can see. In this case, log f plus log g is equal to log f of g. So log x plus log 2 is equal to log 2x when you have common base of 4. Now you solve it further, and since the bases are same, that is 4 base 4 constant, you have this equation as you can solve this equation to get your answer, which is 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1.5. Now e raised to 4 ln 3 minus 3 ln 4. This whole constant will become the power of 3 and the 3 constant will become the power of 4. So e ln 3 raised to 4 minus ln 4 raised to 3 is equal to e ln 3 raised to 4 over 4 raised to 3. And so by formula your answer is 3 raised to 4 over 4 raised to 3. Okay, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. And if you're a management student, please refer to the guides on my channel. They will help you a lot. You can refer to those guides for preparing for your exams, and you won't need to refer to any other resources. Thank you.